Moimirira ma kambuni ya uthuthuria ya TIFA maria mararekereirio kiumia-ini giki ni maracurire mbica ya kuonania ati Kenya matiganirite na uria bururi uratwarithio na mbere ni thirikari. Mugicunji kia 84 hari igana kia Kenya moigite ati utonga wa bururi ni uthararite mwaka uyu kuringithania na mwaka muhituku.
See, almost all said yes, 87%. Nevertheless, when you get 87% who say they've had to reduce their expenditure, you know that almost everybody has been suffering.
No woni uyu uronekana kwaga kuyukio wega thirikari-ini na munini wa president RIGATHI Gachagua ni anyururitie uthuthuria uyu akiuria AKENYA kwaga kuhe uritu munene.
Let us focus on what we are doing. Ourselves, we have never been persuaded by those opinion polls, and we are not about to start listening to them.
Akiheana muhiano na woni uria wanaheanwo ni kambuni cia uthuthuria hindi ya kihitahitano gia githurano kinene kuma mwaka wa 2007, RIGATHI augite ati kuona moimirira ma uria woni uyu wonanagia matitwaranaga na moimirira ma githurano no gitumi kiiganu kia Kenya guteanirio na woni uria wirigite kurekererio.
Walikuwa wametoa opinion poll 2007 wakasema Raila atashinda. Alishinda. 2013 wakasema atashinda. Hii ya 2022 wakasema Raila atashinda. Ignore those things.
Hamwe na uguo RIGATHI augite ati kambuni ici ni ciheanaga moimirira ma gwitukania. Akiheana muhiano ati moimirira ma uthuthuria uyu maronanirie ati kiama kia UDA kiria gitongoragio ni President William Ruto nikio kiri na ngumo muno, ona gutuika uthuthuria uyu uronanirie ati ngumo ya kiama kia UDA ni gwite kuma gicunji kia 34 hari igana mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka uyu nginyagia gicunji kia 31 hari igana mweri uyu.
Those who support the government, one of its political parties in Kenya, Kwanza, 11% say they're better off, whereas those who support the opposition parties, only 3%. So almost 4 times as many government supporters say they're better off.
The same opinion poll inasema ati mahasala are disappointed with President William Ruto. The same opinion poll inasema the most popular party ni UDA. Now how come? It's a contradiction. Kwani nani kiongozi ya UDA?
Kuringana na uthuthuria uyu gicunji kia 87 hari igana kia Kenya maugite ni mathingireirio gucenjia meikarire yao niguo gutarana na uria utonga wa bururi uhana, na kio gicunji kia 84 hari igana kia Kenya maugite ni manyihitie mihuthirire yao ya mbeca hari irio, na kio gicunji kia 15 hari igana ni kinyihitie mahuthiro megi uthi. No RIGATHI ni ateteire mibango ya thirikari na gikiro kinene, akiuga ati ni anjiriirie kurehe umithio munene hari kwarahura utonga wa bururi.
Mimi nataka kuhakikishia nyinyi huyu mgonjwa wetu anaendelea vizuri, na hivi karibuni ataenda nyumbani ameze dawa akiwa nyumbani.
Na gukiri uguo RIGATHI ni oritio na aria mari thirikari-ini kuhinga matu mao na kwaga guthikiriria woni wa kambuni cia uthuthuria. Miario yake ikirekerio kuri Minister wa barabara Kipchumba Murkomen uria ukoretwo agiukirirwo ni muingi kurumirira thitima gukorwo cikiura kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA.
If you listen to these people who are making noise, wewe utakwama. Kama mimi na rais tukesikiza hii watu ya kelele, hii Kenya ingesimama. We just ignore.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni KIMANI wa NGUNJIRI.